Welcome to this Manoeuvres series with Bella. If you're planning for your driving test, these videos will guide you through the techniques, observations and control needed to complete each manoeuvre safely and confidently. In this first video, we'll be covering the forward bay park. You'll see exactly how Bella approaches the manoeuvre, the reference points she uses and the observations the examiner will be looking for from you on test day. So watch along, follow the step-by-step process and see how Bella develops her skills as we work through the exercise together. And of course, if you find these videos helpful, please give them a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future driving tips, lessons and test advice. Now let's join Bella and get started with the forward bay park.
Front bay park. What we need to do then is give ourselves as much space as possible. Our reference, we're going to park, do you see the bay with the grill on it there?
What's a grill?
The grill on the ground, the metal
Oh,
work on
yeah.
it. Yeah. We're going to finish in that bay.
Okay.
Our reference is using the bay before. Now, what you want to do, if you look to your right, you need to look right and you're going to be in the middle of the bay. So if I use this bay as a reference, you tell me when you're in the middle of the bay about now. That's going to be your turning point.
Okay.
And we're going to simply keep it very slow moving and steer it 4 lock to the right. So you do the steering for me, I'll do the pedals this time.
Okay.
So not yet. We're going to park in that bay
yes,
there.
I need to wait
so the
till
bay
I'm
before,
halfway.
halfway in. So this is, look, the speed is going to be maintained like this all the way through. But check your mirror right as well.
Yep.
Not quite there. Now, 4 lock, 4 lock, 4 lock, 4 lock. Just check the blind spot as you're going around as well, just before you turn it in. Now keep it steered until we end up absolutely straight and parallel. So this is literally my clutch work. I'll dip the clutch, you turn it straight, 1.5 turns to straight. Question for you, how do you know you're in the middle of the bay? So we're in the middle of the bay this way, as good as we're in it. Forwards and backwards, we use a reference based on the fact that you're sat in the middle of the car.
I'm
And
not.
you are between the back bumper and the front bumper.
Oh.
Not this way, that way. So if you look in the right, if you line yourself up in the middle of the bay, you tell me when.
Yeah, no.
Stop there, and by default, the car's in the middle of the bay. Okay, let's get out and have a look. Yeah, bring out there. So, not bad. Yeah, pretty good. So you could afford it. Now, the thing is, the instruction is only for all 4 wheels to be finished and stationary within the bay.
How many times do you reckon you can readjust before it becomes an issue?
As long as you're getting closer each time, they're quite forgiving.
Okay.
But you're going to get it right.
Do they say you need to be in that specific bay?
No,
Or do they say, I want to
great question. No. Be a car park like that. Just, I want a front bay park. Keep it on this side of the bays, any bay you like. You don't even have to say, I shall be parking in this bay.
Okay.
It's just any bay will do. If you do have to adjust it, let's pretend you haven't got it in the bay.
Yeah.
Good. What I would do here, I'll go into reverse. Now, manoeuvres fail through observations, mainly. People get fixated and things like that.
Cool.
So, I'll be looking around now. Make sure I'm looking around. In this case, I'll bring the car back. Okay, pretend I'm not in the bay. I'll try and use the going backwards to sort of line myself up, looking around me all the time. Don't get fixated with the mirrors. Then I can see the lines there. Great. Okay, looking all around. Make sure, looking around, I'll just bring it in there. And I just start
Sounds really bad, but are you like looking at anything in any particular order, or are you just looking?
all around you, because danger can come from anywhere, any time. Think, am I making effective observations if someone was to surprise me? That's kind of, so think to that principle. That is it. Now then, that is only half the manoeuvre. The other half of the manoeuvre is reversing out again. So you do that for me now all the way. Pop it into reverse.
It's like,
Forward. That's it. Makes the clutch really down.
yep.
Now you've got to bring it up a little bit to there. I use those. When I'm on your side, I do that. Problem is, it seems like gear sticks aren't designed for lady hands.
No.
Like
Apparently
you got to have great big old hands to work this. It's weird. Okay, so get a handbrake off, find a biting point, a little bit of movement, full lock to the right. So it's a little bit of movement, full lock to the right, slow feet, fast hands is what we're looking for. This is great. Right, reverse it back. Slow down a little bit, just speeding up a little bit there, and then when you come around, start to unturn it for me. Keep it moving. Straighten her up. This is great. Let's go backwards. As you're going backwards, looking all around you. Stop there then. Now, your turn.
Okay.
When you're ready. Same bay.
Do you have to lift it up to move it
No,
back as
what it's
well?
doing, it has a little ridge, and you're lifting up a plate that slides across. So when you bring it back, it's just going to drop down. So
Okay.
you can just you don't need to do it back. You're full of good questions today.
Do I have to indicate?
If it benefits anyone, who's around us at the moment?
No.
I won't bother them.
Except that guy in the Fiat.
If it benefits him, pop a signal. I don't think it really makes any difference. He was here yesterday. It's interesting. That's it. Only thing, just make sure you're looking down the right hand side. Slow down a little bit, brake if you have to. That's it, straight. Now you straightened up just a little bit early, and you've just gone a little bit there. So,
Yeah.
what I suggest you do, come off the controls for me. It was just a little bit quick. You got at least 5 minutes to do this. I mean, you're not that was literally about 15 seconds, if that. Time is really not the issue with this thing.
Yeah. Is it time out of your driving test? Like if you take a bit longer, is it less time you're driving for?
It doesn't work like that.
Yeah.
You're on a fixed route.
It's unfortunate.
You can't just sit there going, oh.
What if something happens on your fixed route? Do they automatically take you on a different route? Or-
If it's a roadblock, yeah, they'll reroute it.
You do know we're rolling.
Yes, I do. Right.
Am
Well,
I controlling it or are you?
yeah, you are.
Okay.
Right, keep this speed going. Not quite there. Be patient. Looking to your right. It's not quite there yet. Not quite there yet. Right, turn. Check your blind spot as well in the mirror. That's it. Full lock. Fast hands. Slow feet. If you want to cross your hands, you can. The airbag's not going off in the car park. Bring it round. Now, when you get it round to straight, just stop the car. You can turn it back. Dry steering. I don't care a bit about dry steering. It's like hoo-ha. Just done a video about this, about dry steering. Bring it round. So use that there. Not quite straight there. Now, stop. Straighten it. 1.5 turns. It'll say data again. You can drive it forwards until you just a little bit, and then just finish it off. Now you see we're quite far right. That's it. I'll do you. You see we're quite far to the right. As soon as you come round, you're probably in the bay.
Okay.
So don't what. Now the tendency happens is people go a bit fast, start to unturn it too early, and you get that forward drift, and you miss it from the bay. That's the first one.
Okay.
That was very good. Are you happy with that to practice?
Can we do? Yeah. Can we do it one more time?
Of course you can. Oh, well, by the way, when you have stopped, it's a very good idea.
Put your handbrake.
Yeah,
on.
you don't go, hooray! Shoot forwards. Okay, reverse out and have another go for me then. Right, go for it. I'm saying nothing now.
Okay. I'm in first gear.
You can slow down. Use the brake if you have to. So it's very subtle feet, isn't it? It means to be patient. Let the reference come to you. Yeah, full lock, fast hands once you got that reference. Check. Yeah, that's it. Very good. Very good. Now get ready with the brake to slow it down. Stop. Unturning it and stop. And have a look to the right. Pretty much there, isn't it?
Yeah.
You could come forward about half a foot if you wanted to, but you're in the bay. Are you in your side? Just.
Just.
Okay, you're in though. So
Yeah.
you just need to be a little bit more, maybe.
Yeah.
Well done.
Thank you.
Shall I demo the next one?
Yeah. Can you do it from there? Or do
Should we
you
do it in the shade?
Yeah. Please.
Thank you very much for watching.
So do remember, please like and subscribe and press notify.